and bare
Hmm.
biceps was that he's a well-known name
Correct, correct.
and quite popular. So if it can happen to him, it can happen
To anyone.
everywhere, anywhere,
Correct,
anyone. Yes. So that's why it's very important. And I emphasized on this point because I have experiences.
correct.
Some clients do not prioritize cybersecurity. They think that it's good to have, and the inclination to think that it's must have still not there.
Because in
And
India,
people,
if we see, Shubhankar, still that cybersecurity, like you have mentioned it, like it is still a new thing. Like people, there's a company called Tak Infosec. They have recently listed a SME platform. You might knowing it. So
yes,
their aim is to become Google in cybersecurity. So they are saying that it's not a $1 billion business; it's a $1 trillion industry, cybersecurity.
very true,
That too in
very true.
India. That's the scope of cybersecurity. But still, I've been going through many of the founders leaders, but you are the first one I believe, someone who apparently expressed your views like on cybersecurity, uh, we should invest in cybersecurity. Like, yeah,
Yes, so you're right.
correct,
Cybersecurity is must-have capability for any organization, and it can be done in-house or they can outsource if they are not into technology. So it's an important factor. It's
correct,
very much like wearing a seat belt or a helmet or carrying an umbrella when it rains. So it's like that, basically. It's most important.
correct. And like many of the organizations still top companies, not, I mean, they are not approached the cybersecurity part. Is there any reasons like you find it?
So it's because I'm not sure about what business they are
Correct,
into and what kind of data and information networks they have, but
correct,
they are basically exposed if they are not investing, I
correct,
can tell you.
correct,
And it's just a matter of someone targeting them. It will
correct,
be really not just a monetary damage or reputational damage. When your name comes out and you are big, then it's difficult to just stop that kind of damage. Because if you are a B2C or even B2B,
correct,
then people have distrust that their data may be exposed alongside.
correct.
So that's the most dangerous factor.
One more thing is like I would like to add, with AI, like hackers have identified themselves to the top industry, how they can leverage the AI part.
That's another
Yeah. So they
worrying
are always
thing.
one level up. I don't know how. Like,
Yes.
correct,
So hacker is always a good programmer or a
correct,
developer
correct,
who
correct,
uses his skills or her
correct,
skills in a negative
correct,
direction.
correct,
So hacking, by the way, is not a negative word.
correct,
Hacker can be a positive person as well,
correct, correct,
doing ethical hacking. But you do it black hat thing, you damage something, then it's a crime.
correct,
You are
correct,